This is the PL-89 Gematriatic Quantum Thought Calendar for Friday, October 24th, 2025. And it is Yom Shishi, the sixth day of the week, the second day of Cheshvan of 5786. The parsha of the week is Parshat Noach. And the Daf Yomi for today is Zvachim, page 40. Zvachim Mem. And the PL-89 calendar is a combination of several calendars in one basic 90-day period of time, and it goes 4 times a year. And roughly, I mean, there's some days that are more, some days that are less, but generally it's about 90 days per quarter, and it's based on a planet that had the name of Mercury. In Hebrew, it's called Kochav Kama. It's the closest planet to the sun that we know of, and published data about this planet is that it's an orbit of Mercury around the sun is 88 of our Earth days, and so that's basically the same time period as this. And on this calendar today, since it's every 90 days, it starts a new year, so to speak. We've just finished the cycle that went from the first day of Av / August, and August 1st was also Friday, and today is it's close to Cheshvan 1. Yesterday was Cheshvan 1, but it's close. So they're both the same kind of months. If you're familiar with astrology a bit, then there are certain months that have the same quality. As some are called. They have names to them, but in different contexts, they're called different things. In astrology, I think it's called fixed. So Av or August is a fixed month, and Cheshvan / November is a fixed month, and Shvat or February, and ER / May. In astrology, that would be Leo, Scorpio, Aquarius, and Taurus. So right now we started another season, and we're the second day of Cheshvan, and then when it gets to November, it's going to be the second day of November too, and it's going to be the second day of today's the second day of I forgot the name it's called. In the Islamic calendar, it's the second day also. It's just the same as the Hebrew. So the box number here is 17, and the coordinates are B1, and so 17 is the number for today. And as far as the lunar calendar, I'm sorry, that was the lunar calendar. As far as the solar calendar, we are still in the 10-day twilight period because it started in August. So when August, September was over here, October is over here, and now we're in the final week of October, the final 10-day period, but the final week also over here. And then after it finishes, this invisible line, it's a line that's actually outside these boxes. It's an invisible time called the 10-day twilight period, and we are in day 4. So that would correspond, the coordinates for that is D. Coordinates are D, 11. Column D, and then row 11. Now, it's only 10 rows that you can see here, but this invisible row is the 11th row. And that's the PL-89 Gematriatic Quantum Thought Calendar for today.